So today the temperature was 38 degrees Celsius. It's really hot over here. I have a ceiling fan. I'm lying on my bed. It's extremely hot, but it is still better than the monsoon season. In the monsoon season, no one can do anything. It's just waterlogging all of the places and muds on the roads and those sort of things. So it's much better to have the hot summer than the monsoon season. And there is an app named Like app. I'm not being sponsored and all. I just found the app. I found the app in one of the PewDiePie's video, and it's a fun app. And I will be sharing 3 of my videos after this video. It's a fun app. So I found out that I am really enjoying that app, and even I have shared some of the videos in my Instagram story also. So you know that I've been thinking like, if anyone has a message to say, then I can deliver the message in that kind of video, in that funny way, in that funny dance video that you will get to know after this video. And I have my email address in my you can get my email address in the about section of my channel, and you can send me the message over there, and I will send you the video directly to your G drive. Or if you have a like app profile, then I will send the video to your like profile. So in either way, there are 2 ways that I can deliver the video to your G drive, or either I can deliver the video through the app, Like app. So it's a fun app, and I really enjoyed making the videos over there. And so if anyone has a message to say, or if anyone wants to wants me to do something in that video, then I will do that. Just send me the message, or send me the stuff in my Gmail, in my email account. I told you that I have the email account in my you can get my email ID in my about section of my channel, YouTube channel. So this is the thing. Actually, it's too hot and my throat is really dry now, and so that's the reason I cannot talk that much. So let me just show you the videos. Yeah, I forgot to say one thing, that don't worry about the message. I mean, about how we present the message. The message will be written on a white piece of paper, and the words will be bold in bold black color. So don't worry about how will I present the message. The message will be presented in a much clearer way. So just imagine the white piece of paper and the words written in black bold way. So don't worry about that. How will I present the message? And I will present the message in a surprise way in that video. So I in a surprise video way. So I just want to have fun with the app more, and I just want everyone to engage with that thing also. So it's the main motive is to have fun. That's the thing. And if I get the message, or if I get some target to do this, then it will be much more fun. So that's the main point.
All about the ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
ਆਰਮੀ ਚ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬਦਨਾਮ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ